The aim of Power BI is interactive visualization. Until now, we followed the steps. We got the data, transformed the data without changing the source data, and this is the time of visualization. But here we have a note. Let's take a look at it. Third step, create data model. As you know, we have two Excel files. One is planned cost, another is actual cost. So these two are independent of each other. So let me say I want to visualize the budget from planned cost and visualize activity from activity cost. If I select civil works, the budget doesn't change. I select another activity, it is not changed. Because the budget is from planned cost and activity name is from actual cost, and these two are working independently. So in this way, the visualization is damaged. We have to do something here and link these two or even more than two transformed data together to have dependent and linked charts. In this situation, the data model is here to help us. Create data model. Creating a data model is like creating keys in Excel. In our Excel All You Need course, we have talked about keys widely. Here also, data model is the same as keys and Power Pivot diagram view. Here in the left bar, we have the model. If I click on it, you will see the actual cost and planned cost are here. For connecting, for linking, or let me say, for having a relationship between these two data, we can drag and drop one column into the same column in another data. What I mean? Activity IDs are the same in both. So I drag activity ID from actual cost into the activity ID in planned cost. A window pops up. Here, activity IDs are in gray. It means they are selected. So that is correct. I press on OK. As you see, a line of relation is created. If I mouse over on it, you can see the activity IDs from both are selected. These two data are now linked together and work dependently to each other. Definitely there is no time to talk more about data model in this free course. But in our full Power BI course, absolutely we will talk and work widely on data model. But now it is enough to know how to make a relation between these data. Now it is visualization time. Let's dive into the other lesson and start visualization journey.